Hello, investors and traders. Welcome to candlecharts.com Spotlight. This one's on inflation and trading. Trading doesn't have to be hard. In fact, it can be quite simple and easy. You just need a little bit of desire to make money. And well, I'm going to go into the inflation part and not lose it by inflation. Take a quick look here. Risk disclosure found at candlecharts.com/disclosure. Again, make sure you've read and understand the risks of trading prior to placing any trades. And that's what we're here for, is education so that you can make your own decisions of what and when to trade. Quick look, here we go on to, well, this is inflation, September 2020 to September 2021. I mean, look at the double digits on inflation. Rental cars, gasoline price, gasoline, okay, we're gonna probably use that daily. Used cars, well, we don't buy a used car every year, but then we get down to the bacon, the beef, the pork, eggs, kids' shoes, you're gonna be buying a lot of them. Chicken, apples, restaurant meals, everything seems to be uppity, up. So gotta consider this. So what's laying around in your bank account? And I say that, maybe tax refund, maybe from a remortgage. It could be a million different ways or reasons why you have some extra money. But if you're letting it stay in the bank, it's at risk of inflation and it's not going to be worth as much. But quick look here, really. At candlecharts.com, we support clients in over 86 countries around the world. So again, it doesn't matter what currency you're trading or what stock market you're in around the world, all of our principles and education material will apply to you. So coming back to the inflation bit, and we won't spend a lot of time on this, but let's say, for example, you had $10,000. It's just a round number. You can put it down to 100, you can put it down to 1,000, whatever, and it's just a inflation calculator. And I averaged the G20 countries inflation for the past 12 months, and it came up, actually it was just over 7%, but I put in 7%, hit the calculate button, and it came up to 93.45. So after 12 months, you would have almost $655 less than what you had at the beginning of the year if you just let it sit in the bank based at a zero interest, but with that 7% interest. So I have two stock charts that I want to look at. Home Depot, first one. This is a 12-month chart, and I mean, look at. So I've got the candle patterns on here. There's reasons why I would buy on certain candle patterns and reasons why I would not buy on other ones. So again, that's what our education is about, to help you decide entries. And I looked at Home Depot, found one very conservative entry here, literally here, getting out after that big red candle, finding another entry over here, coming up only to, well, again, that big red candle. We had a little bit of red, a lot of upper shadow. It's a shooting star there. And literally in the 12 months on two simple trades would have potentially netted you a 50% return. Quick look at Microsoft as another example. And again, depending on how you want to trade this, but there were some fantastic trades, and literally 2, 3, maybe even 4 trades. As you can see, is a little bit more jumpy on here, but that was over 60% potential return within a 12-month period. Now you've beat out inflation by getting 50% on Home Depot, or maybe over 60% on Microsoft. This is just looking at, once a day you have a look at the charts. That's it. You don't need to be a finance expert. You just need a little bit of determination to, I say, beat the market, beat the inflation market, and have some successful trades. There's tips and tricks. Look below for more information on what we can do to help educate you easily and get you started to hopefully making money and take it away from Mr. Inflation. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.